Hello and welcome to a quick video on how to insert slides from one PowerPoint file into another PowerPoint file. We would typically do this for creating a slide deck for a service on a Sunday morning, and we need to insert sermon slides from a separate file. So the first thing that we need to do is make sure that both files are open on the same computer. You can see I've opened the main file here, and we've also opened the file that contains all the sermon slides. So this file, we need to get all those slides over into the main file. So the first thing that we need to understand is where in this main file we're going to insert the slides. In this particular slide deck, I went ahead and left slide 17 as a placeholder for me, so I knew exactly where they would go. So right there is where we're going to want that. We're going to get all the slides from the other file and put them right where that slide 17 is. So to do that, we need to go back over to the file that has the sermon slides, and the very first thing we're going to do is click on the first slide over in the slide sorter area, over on the left. Not in the main area, but over on the left. Click on that slide right there, and then we want to select all those slides. So the easiest way to do that is to press Control A. By pressing Control A, all the slides now have a red box around them indicating that they're selected. Now we need to copy these slides. So you can either press Control C to copy these slides, or you can right click on any one of those and select Copy. Alright, now they're in our clipboard, ready for pasting. Back over on the main file, now we need to paste them in there. So again, we know where we're supposed to put them, but there is a little bit of a trick. So right after this slide is where you want to paste those other slides. So you need to click in the area right between those two slides. By doing that, you can see now we have a red line. That red line is our insertion point. That's where the slides are going to get pasted. Now you can't just do a regular paste in this because regular paste doesn't bring the formatting over. So you need to click this drop down, not the top part of the button, but the drop down part of the button. Click that drop down and you'll see three options. Option 1 on the left is to use the destination theme. Option 2 in the middle is keep source formatting. And number 3 is to paste as a picture. We want that middle option, option number 2, keep source formatting. So if we click that option right there, you will see that those slides that we copied are going to be all inserted all at once into that slide deck. All at once. So we can see here's the title slide, and it's going to go right into the first sermon slide. So we're almost done. We're getting there. So remember, we had a placeholder slide in this deck, so we need to make sure we remove that. Otherwise, it would show up on a Sunday morning. So let's just delete. Okay, we're pretty much ready to go, but there is one important step still to go. We need to make sure we save this file. So you can save this file like you normally would. You can press Control S. You can go up here to the disk icon and click that to save it. You can also access save from the file menu. So we're done with these sermon slides. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. And let's try this out just really quick. We can start our presentation mode right here at the title slide. And you can see that after we get past the title slide, we can click next, and it goes right into the first slide. And here we can see that when we get to the Paul the Encourager slide, that the animations are still all intact. So we're good to go. We've saved it. We're ready. We're ready for Sunday morning. All right. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this very informative. And good luck creating your slide decks.